Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Chrome and checking for updates. This avoids unexpected behavior. Once open, sign into the profile you use for YouTube because settings are profile-specific. Make sure you can see the address bar and the three-dot menu. This is where we act next. Also glance at your extensions area, some control playback or redirect YouTube. Once done, we'll move directly into disabling autoplay and extensions, so make sure you're on the right profile. You'll now stop playback behavior by disabling autoplay and checking extensions. First, open a YouTube video, click the autoplay toggle and turn it off. This prevents next videos from starting. Next, go to Chrome, //extensions, and disable any extension that mentions video, ad blocking, or script control. Disable them one at a time to identify culprits. If unsure, open an incognito window. Extensions are off there by default, so you can confirm whether an extension caused the issue. Finally, if autoplay persists or YouTube still behaves improperly, block the site or reset Chrome. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security Site Settings, find YouTube and block permissions like autoplay or notifications. This stops unwanted starts and pop-ups. If problems continue, use Reset Settings to return Chrome to defaults. This preserves bookmarks. As a last troubleshooting tip, clear cache and test a different Chrome profile. If that works, migrate only necessary data to avoid reintroducing the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.